Hello everyone, this is Plutia and Nasir Ball Edits. Today we're gonna install Windows Server 2025 Evaluation Build 296-100. So, it's a newly released Windows Server version by Microsoft. So, it's very controversial because it requires SSE 4.2, which is found in 1st Gen Intel Core i series. And this is the first Windows Server that has the 11 based GUI. And I'm going to show you the installation, the setting up and installing the features, promoting it to a domain, and other miscellaneous stuff in this video. So this video is not paid by VAllure VTuber Agency. If you don't know what I'm talking about, VAllure VTuber Agency is a VTuber agency that was newly created by Datcenter. But setting aside the ASMR and VTubing, let's proceed with the installation. So the installation is almost similar to the 24H2 build. As you can see, it's a bit similar, a bit with a different color in the background because it's Windows Server as obvious. We're gonna click the desktop experience option so that we will get the GUI rather than the core edition. That's the EULA. Not much has been changed so far. I checked it. You can click accept. So it requires TPM and all that Windows 11 requires, but it didn't show anything. But I already had TPM in this system already. We're gonna click install. And it will install. So I'm gonna come back once this is done. So yeah, I'm gonna time lapse this video. Alright, we're now in the UUP setup for Windows Server. I'm just gonna type in my password here. Gonna make sure it's correct. Gonna click next. Just gonna wait the log screen to log in. There we go. I'm gonna control insert in VMware, and then we're gonna type in our password. Okay, it gives this gives me this another UUP face about telemetry. So I'm just gonna select required only face thing, accept, and start with the server manager and the Datacenter Azure arc today pop up. One thing I've noticed the difference with Server 2022 and 5, as you can, obviously it's evaluation period, but you can easily convert it, is the start menu, sorry about that, is that it has terminal built in. It doesn't have Copilot, and sadly Notepad is still the non-UWP version. That's fine. It's gonna experiment it. And yeah, what else we can talk about here? I'm gonna talk about Azure Arc later, and I'll come back once it's done. So I did the installation off camera, as there are hundreds of videos of installing Windows Server 2025 and promoting to a domain anyway. So I decided to cut that part and proceed with the installation. So yeah, that's all I can proceed. And as you can see, it's 180 days, unlike LTSC 11, which is 90 days. And yeah, I was so thankful that and happy at the same time that Microsoft actually did the release 2600 for both client and server, which is a nice thing considering that Microsoft was kind of stupid with the Server 2022 back then. Because I was predicting that Server 2022 and Windows 10 21H2 and 22H2 would be based on 2348, but it didn't. As always, we have these post-deployment configuration warnings. Stating the configuration requirement about Active Directory nonsense. I'm gonna click cancel because that's not important in setting up a domain. I'm gonna click yes. And we got a lot of red warnings because we didn't set it up, but that's fine. So yeah, it has Edge built in. I'm just gonna test the internet connection because the last time I attempted Windows Server domain setup, it didn't let me connect to the internet, but I did use Windows VMXNet 3 in VMware in the configuration. So yeah. So for that, let's explore this thing, Azure Arc setup thing. But we're not gonna install it because it's just a local domain. Let's see, Azure vallure vm.local. It doesn't have Copilot. Thank goodness. And yeah, most of the UWP apps are old UWP apps from, because that's similar to LTSC unless you install Microsoft Store on it using the wsreset.i command. I think this is all I can say for this general review. And yeah, this build is kind of nice actually. I think this is all gonna end this video. This is Politia signing out, and see you soon. Bye bye.